Good day, friends. It is me, HL Modtech, and I am back with another awesome Tinkercad tutorial, so let's get cracking. Friends, today I'm going to ask for a little bit of help, and I'm also going to show you how to search for designs. I'm going to type states to find one of my favorite projects. I started this about 3 years ago because I thought it would be fun to have all 50 states shared with me. So here is my project, and I'm going to click Tinker this. I have made this design public and I allow you all to copy and tinker it. The goal is to see if we can get all 50 states shared by users that are working in Tinkercad. This time, friends, I am still trying to find all 4 states, but we're going to do this one state at a time. Today I am searching for Proof of Life and Tinkering in North Dakota. So the easiest way to help me out with that is to visit my website, hlmodtech.com. Below the Tinkercad Essentials, you will find the link to the 50 States Sharing Project. Friends, you'll also be able to find this link in the description of the video. As you can see, it shows you the project, and all you need to do is hit copy and tinker. The project opens super quick because it's super small. The steps are listed right here with the awesome notes, but friends, I'm also just going to show you the steps. So remember, we're searching for somebody from North Dakota. If you are from North Dakota, all you need to do is click on this, slide down to North Dakota, and switch it to your state. Bingo. That part is done. Now, if you zoom in, there's a note. This was labeled with my info for Holland, Michigan. You can skip that if you want, but there is also a tiny little star. Simply move that with the arrow keys to wherever your city is. Of course, you can tell me the city, but you don't have to. And then finally, you can click on it to make it whatever fun color you want. Bingo. That is the proof of life. Now you need to share it with me. This note explains that the share button is right here. Friends, you can click on that button, generate a link, copy that link, and then reach out and share it with me. I am HL Modtech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HL Tinkercad. If that's not available to you, don't forget you can also visit my website, hlmodtech.com. You can click on the sweet built-in messaging tool and send me a message with that share link in almost no time. I also want to take a moment to highlight the Tinkercad Community Discord. Friends, as you can see, we've got a boatload of members and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, I've got one other option. Of course, let's start by naming it. I'm going to put 50 states, and I'm going to put the state that I just did. It was North Dakota. And then you can go back here and simply make it public. It is so simple. Click on the gear, click on the properties. I have added this note that it's about the states puzzle. That way, if anybody else sees this, they can join in. Of course, add some tags. And then the most important tag is HLMT23. Friends, I search that tag almost every day. And because you've shared it there, I'll be able to add your state and the star to the puzzle. Finally, make it public. And then simply choose Attribution Share Alike so I can copy and tinker your project to add it to the puzzle. Friends, I do want to thank everybody that's supported us so far. It has been absolutely fantastic. Remember, if more than one person submits from each state, I will add extra stars. Currently, we have California and New York battling for the most stars in the project. Before I wrap up, friends, a huge shout out to everybody that's participated so far. It would be awesome if you took a moment to share this with other users as well. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HL Modtech. Of course, friends, don't forget you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL Modtech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.